Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to explain to you some of the ACT CRM synchronization service pricing. It's called Sync. So how does this work? Well, it's not unusual for people that currently use ACT to have the ACT software physically installed on their computer. So synchronization services cost $120 a year. ACT Premium, if you have your subscription, the standard pricing is $450 a year, and that's for the standard ACT software that's physically installed on your computer. So if you want to also have the cloud version of ACT, you can do that. You do that by adding synchronization services for $120. So it makes sense between the $120 and the $450 you pay for your subscription, the total cost would be $570. But that's not accurate. The way it works is this. We take a step backwards. What we do is when you buy synchronization services, we start by offering you a subscription to ACT Premium Cloud for $360. The synchronization services are $120, bringing your total to $480. Let me say that again. Instead of paying $450, you're going to pay $360 for the cloud version and $120 for the sync, the total being $480. You're currently paying $450. So we reverse this a little bit. We just do the billing a little bit differently. We back up, we start with the cloud. And what that means is for $30, you get ACT everywhere. You get the best of ACT. You get it on the desktop and you get it in the cloud. $30, that's all it is. So what you're going to find is that little bit extra you'll pay to have ACT everywhere. What it does for you is it gives you access to ACT on any computer with a web browser and internet connection. In addition to that, because it's in the cloud and all your data stays synchronized, you have a backup. ACT backs up your database on a regular basis. So if you decide today you don't want to go into the office where your desktop computer is, you can just log into your ACT software database anywhere that you have access to a computer and the internet. It's really a great program that ACT offers. $30 to get you both, and that is a great deal. My name is Tony Holowitz. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to go over this with you. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Bye now.